Are you tired of dust seeping into the rear tub? Well, today we will be installing a tailgate sealing kit. I bought a tailgate sealing kit from Grunt 4x4. They got sealing kits for all kinds of models. I'll add a link to them in the description below. This will help to keep your huge tub free from water, dirt and dust. Inside the box you get all the rubber seals you need and the instruction sheet. The rubber seals are made from extremely durable EPDM rubber with 3M automotive tape already installed. The only tools you'll need is a cleaning agent, cloth, scissors and a rubber mallet. It installs in 4 easy steps. But first, we have to ensure that the surface is clean, free from dirt, dust, oil and moisture. Start with the corner pads. Peel off the backing and place the foam pad in the bottom corner of the tub, with the side against the body just above the bolt. Press firmly to ensure proper adhesion. Repeat the step on the other side. Press firmly to ensure proper adhesion. Next we install the lower seal in the indentation running across the bottom of the tub. Only peel about 200 to 300 mm at a time. Butting it up to the corner pad and press firmly to ensure proper adhesion. Don't stretch the seal as you're going along, as it will cause the adhesion to loosen over time. When you get to the other side, just cut the excess material off so that it sits tightly against the other corner pad. Now we will install the pinch weld seal over the metal edge of the tub, starting at the bottom against the corner foam pad, and work your way towards the top with the rubber mallet. I couldn't get the seal to go over the tonneau cover bracket, so I had to loosen the bracket to let it go under and then retighten the bracket to hold the seal in place. Repeat this step on the other side. And lastly, we install the side seals on the tailgate. Again, only peel about 200 to 300 mm at a time. Starting at the top of the tailgate and follow the contour down to the bottom of the tailgate. Press firmly to ensure proper adhesion. Repeat this step on the other side. Again, press firmly to ensure proper adhesion. And that is it. I don't notice increased pressure on the locking mechanism though. It feels like something might snap inside if you're going to force it, so I just gave it a slight push when opening the tailgate. Maybe not ideal, but I can live with it. I could see a significant reduction in dust entering the tub area. Although there is still some dust coming in, it's not from the seals, but from the tonneau cover. It has a flappy end that rests loosely on the tailgate, flapping in the wind while driving, letting some dust and moisture into the tub. Now this will only be solved after the hardtop is fitted and properly sealing the top of the tub area. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next project.